Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy JR14. Hope you guys are having a great day today. It's gonna be a great day. It's sunny, it's freezing here in New York. Got the hat, got the hoodie, got the jacket on, but it's gonna be a great day today. And you wanna know why? First of all, before we even get started with that, what you need to do is you need to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell and give the video a thumbs up so it does really good on view. But today we are taking the Accord. The Accord, you see the Honda, Honda label? We're taking the Accord today. And the reason why we're taking the Accord is that my idea, the whole vision that I have for this car is starting with this modification today. So we're gonna take the Accord, we're gonna go to the garage, walk to the garage right now, get the Accord out, and we'll be back in a few minutes. So without further ado, let's go right now. But guys, I just wanted to say, first of all, before we get this video started, I just want to say thank you very much for everyone who has supported. I know this isn't the Mark 7 content. I know it's not. I just want to let you guys know I still have the car. It's going to be out. You guys have been asking me about it. Oh my God, when you bring Project Mark 7 back? Why we haven't seen it after the wide body stuff? Where is it at? You sold the car? Why'd you get rid of it? I want to see Project Mark. It's coming back outside, guys. I promise you, Project Mark 7 will be back in the New York streets. The only issue now is that this weather. It's crazy, it's cold, it's salty, it's disgusting, and I refuse to drive the nice Project Mark 7 in this mess. So we got to do a couple of buttoning up things, but we got to button up a couple of things before we get that car officially on track and on the street, killing it, doing what it was meant and built to do. But I just want to give you that disclaimer. But for this video, like I said, now, if you guys don't know, if you haven't been watching my videos on this car, this is my 2007 Honda Accord. We did a bunch of things in it. Click in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. We did the headliner in this bad boy. This thing came out fantastic. It came out great. Check that video out in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. But what I want to do, I want to create the Accord Inspire build. Now, I know you've seen it a lot on the internet and stuff like that, as far as on forums, but I want to do a build with this car, meaning that the processes of what to go through when doing an Inspire build. And one of the things I really want to do is the wheels. Now, the wheels, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. And if you guys know me from the Civic that I had, I like OEM Plus. I like stuff to look good and better than how the car came from factory, but still OEM Plus. So we're going to start that today with the wheels. Now, the size, I'm not gonna disclose the size just yet, but it's gonna make a huge difference when it comes to the performance of handling of this car. I'm really excited to show you guys, but I gotta go to my storage unit so that I can go grab this stuff, because I bought these things, I bought the tires at different times, and I bought the wheels at a different time as well, and I got everything together today, so it's time to put everything together. So without further ado, let's go to the storage unit, and then after that, we're gonna go to my guys over at InTrack to get all this stuff installed, and then we got to get this thing clean because this thing's disgusting with all the salt on it. My daily driver is to be treated like a daily. All right, so here are the tires that I'm actually going to be using on the Accord. Now, like I said, we're going with a different size altogether. So these are a 235/40/18. Now, these tires in general are actually a 235/40 R18, and you're kind of wondering why am I saying 18? I have 16s on the car. I'm actually upgrading to 18-inch wheels, and I will be accommodating with these tires. Now, they're all seasons. They're actually Eagle Sport Goodyears. I got a crazy deal on these on Facebook Marketplace for like $100 for all four, and they're very new, so no punctures or rubbing on the sidewalls or anything like that. So we're gonna get these mounted and now we have to pick up the wheels, which are somewhere else. So I'm gonna put these in the car, and then we're gonna go get the rims, and then we're gonna get everything installed. right, guys, so here are the wheels in question. These are one of my favorite design wheels. This was from, if you guys know me from a while ago, before I had my 2013 Accord, I had a 2010 V6 Coupe Accord, and these are the wheels from that model. Now, these are 18 by 8s, I believe, 18 by 8 or 8.5s. I don't remember the offset, but I will put all the information down below, so you'll be able to see that. Now, they are a little beat up. They're not in the best condition. I'm going to get the tires mounted on for now, but later I will get these redone when we start doing the Inspire stuff, when things go off of paint and stuff like that, or if I decide to wrap the car. I haven't decided yet. Then I'll get these redone and refinished, and we'll be good to go. But for now, we're good here. But they look in pretty decent condition. I bought these for a steal. I got these are really hard to come by. There are not a lot of them for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and everyone that sells them new, they're like $300 or $400 a wheel. But I found all 40s for a really good price, and I'll show you the price after we get these on the car. But now we have to put these in the car, go to InTrack, get everything put on, and change the look of this Accord, because those 16s ain't it. So I'm gonna step out real quick. You saw the new wheels. You already saw that already. But I'm gonna show you why I'm replacing them. So I'm gonna get out this car real quick. New York is crowded, man. These bus lanes. Now they got, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they got these cameras. And if you ride in the bus lane after a certain time, then you automatically get a ticket. But I'm gonna get out here real quick so I can show y'all what we replaced, like why we replacing these wheels. I need to discuss with you that, but I'm trying to get out, but come on, man, I can't get out. And the wind is trying to take the damn door. But real quickly, yo, we can't do these anymore. So these are the original 16s. Yo, he needs brakes bad, bro. Oh my God. It's super cold out here. But we replacing those wheels. These are the stock wheels that came on the Accord. Oh my God, I gotta get back inside. I'm gonna talk to y'all inside. I decided, let me get 4 wheels that I know are not bent. Get some really good tires. These are fairly new tires, like I said, and you'll be surprised. So for the wheels I paid $200 for the wheel set, like all 4 wheels, all Accord wheels. And for the tires, bro, I found the tires for $100. Not $100 a piece, $100 for all 4. I found them for a guy that was selling at a Goodyear place. And they had, like, the family that took the tires off wanted winter tires, and these are all seasons. I like all seasons. It's just depending on how you drive, and I know how to drive with all seasons with a front-wheel drive car. So I definitely snagged those up as soon as I saw them on Facebook Marketplace. Now, one thing that I will talk about, I'll talk about more as far as why I went with this setup, and some things that you have to do to make sure that you're going to do it right when it comes to putting these 18s on a 7th gen Accord, because there are some guidelines to it. So let's go in the shop, and as they're putting the wheels and tires on the Accord, then I'll go in and talk to you guys about it. So let's go. All right, so we got the tires mounted up on the wheels. It's got a nice lip to it, which is perfect for messing up these wheels. So that's good. He's about to jack up the car now on the opposite side. But I wanted to talk to you guys quickly about why I went with this wheel. So if you're ever going to do a 7th gen Accord and you want to do these wheels, the only issue is for the tire wall, the tire height. So like I told you before, these tires are a 235, 40, 18. Now these wheels stock on a 2010 Accord come with a 235, 45, 18. And the reason why you want to do a 40 tall tire on this is because it'll mess up the speedo. Meaning that the speedometer will not be accurate, because now you're going from a 16-inch wheel to an 18-inch wheel, and you're now on a tall tire. So the revolutions, as far as the tire rotating, it's not going to be the correct speed. It will still be off with these tires, this size, but it'll only be off for like 1 mile an hour, or like I think it's like 1.7 miles an hour or something like that. So it's not a big deal. But I think if you went with a 45, it'll throw it up at like 5 miles an hour or something like that. I read it on the forums, so I decided to go with a 40. And then also, the car won't look so high when driving either. I mean, it's gonna raise the car higher because we're going 2 inches higher with the wheels. But we got something planned later on with the coilovers, but I'm gonna talk about that at the end of the video. But he's mounting them on right now, and then we'll get the car underway and We're gonna be back outside, guys. This is exciting. I like this. This looks so much better. All right, guys, so I finally got these wheels back up here. Now these, like I said, these are the 16-inch original Accord wheels that come with the Accord. If you get an EX or an EXL or an SE, these will not come on an LX. So if you are interested in these, the good thing about these is that they are for sale. I actually did put, for the winter time, I did put on new tires. So as you can see here, the tread is all good all the way around. 4 new tires for this. I am going to sell these. So if you are looking for wheels, shoot me a DM on JR14YT or comment in this video right now. But I'm gonna put these away and then we'll finally look at the final product on the Accord outside. So let's get to it right now. All right, guys, so here is the final product of the Accord with the 8th gen V6 Accord wheels. Now keep in mind the height. I know the ride height sucks, I know it. Don't worry about that. I'm sorry for the wind, but I just needed to get this done real quick. It's really cold. It's really cold in New York. But the 18-inch, they fit really well in the back. We got to get rid of that wheel gap though. But the front wheel gap is like horrific. I need to definitely get that down, which is a good thing to say that I am going to be doing coilovers on this car. So stay tuned for that. I already got that set up. I'm waiting to finalize some things and then we'll purchase them and then we will get them installed on the car for the spring. So this will be a clean, good looking daily driver for the channel. And we're gonna do an Inspire build. Like I said, I wanted these wheels on the car. I've seen them on the car, on this particular car before, and it looked really good. Now, you know, obviously we did the fogs and everything else, so we're getting close. We got to change out these headlights. These are not the Inspire headlights, but it really does complement the car really well. Like, you have to admit, when you're looking at this Accord with these wheels, they look really well. And I've driven it for about 30 miles now. They do feel a little bit different. The steering's a little heavier, obviously, now because you're moving from a 16-inch wheel to an 18-inch wheel. And like I said, I am selling my stock wheels, so you will have them available. So if you do want them, please let me know. But yeah. But guys, if you did like this video, if you do like the way that these wheels look on the Accord, give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. You guys always remember, when we're making the daily driver a nice daily driver, nice looking and driving daily driver, you guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle.